Do you struggle with memorizing long answers for exams? If so, you're not alone. Luckily, we've got a solution for you. This video is all about techniques to supercharge your memory. We'll delve into the science of memorization and show you how to transform your study habits. By the end of this, you'll have a toolkit of 8 powerful tricks to help you memorize anything faster. So are you ready to conquer your exams and shatter your own expectations? Stay tuned to discover 8 tricks that can help you memorize anything faster. Imagine if you could see information with your mind's eye. That's the power of visualization. It's like turning your thoughts into a movie where abstract data transforms into vivid, tangible images. Association, on the other hand, is a mental superglue. It connects new information to something you already know, creating a strong bond in your memory. Let's put this into perspective. Suppose you're learning about photosynthesis. Visualize a photo album filled with sunlit plants, associating photo with light. Then imagine a synthesizer playing a tune, linking synthesis with creation. Suddenly, photosynthesis isn't just a word. It's a story of plants creating energy from light. With visualization and association, your memory becomes a vivid storyboard. Ever tried eating a whole pizza in one bite? Impossible, right? Now think about your study material. You wouldn't gulp it down all at once, would you? No. You'd break it down into bite-sized pieces or chunks. This is the essence of the chunking technique. It involves dividing complex information into smaller, manageable units, making it easier to understand and remember. But, just like how a pizza won't satisfy your hunger with one bite, a single read won't help you remember everything. That's where repetition comes in. By reviewing the material repeatedly, you reinforce the information in your brain, making it easier to recall. Imagine learning a new language. You'd start by learning words, chunking, then practice them daily, repetition. With time, you'll find yourself fluent in the language. Chunking and repetition make your study material digestible and memorable. Ever heard the phrase, "My very eager mother just served us noodles to remember the planets"? That's a mnemonic device. Mnemonic devices are memory tools that help you recall vast amounts of information. They work by creating a framework that's easier for your brain to latch onto. Acronyms, rhymes, or sentences can serve as mnemonic devices. For instance, the acronym HOMES can help you remember the Great Lakes, Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie, and Superior. Now let's talk about self-testing. This is where you challenge your memory. After learning something, quiz yourself. Doing this helps reinforce the information in your mind, making it stick longer. So, after studying a chapter, close your book and try to summarize what you've learned. Mnemonic devices and self-testing are your personal cheat codes to ace exams. Ever crammed all night only to forget everything the next day? Here's why. Spaced practice is the key, my friends. Instead of marathon study sessions, break your study time into smaller, spaced-out sessions. It's like watering a plant. A little at a time helps it grow stronger. And sleep. It's not just for dreamers, but for learners too. Sleep consolidates your memories, making them stick. So take that power nap. It's scientifically justified. Spaced practice and sleep are your secret weapons for effective memorization. Memorizing doesn't have to feel like climbing Mount Everest. With visualization, association, chunking, repetition, mnemonic devices, self-testing, spaced practice, and sleep, you can absorb information effectively. Take these tricks, conquer that study material, and ace your exams. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such helpful tips.